This video will show how to use JASON PPK service for Rover plus own base station setup. Field operations. Base station setup. Set up the base station at some point in the area you intend to survey. Should you be using a multi-frequency capable base station receiver, you can freely set up the base station in an unknown location, which will be determined later with JASON PPK processing. Alternatively, set the base station in a point of known coordinates. Base station data collection. Leave the base station collecting GNSS raw data. If the intention is to use precise point positioning to compute the base coordinates, then record data for about 1 hour. Configure the base station recording data rate from 1 second to 15 seconds. A rate higher than this will not bring you any better accuracy. Surveying. You can now proceed to survey with the Rover receiver. Make sure the base station you set up in steps 1 and 2 is continuously recording raw GNSS measurements during the whole survey. Post-field survey operations. After the field survey is finished, proceed to download the data from the GNSS receivers, logging in with your credentials to JASON, and proceed as follows. Base station position calculation. First, we will use JASON PPK processing to compute the accurate position of your base station in datum ITRF14. Use a multi-frequency base station, otherwise JASON won't be able to compute PPK for precise positioning estimation. Upload your base station data collected in Step 1 into Dropbox named Rover GNSS Raw Data. Type a description. Set PPK and static configuration and launch the process. Retrieve precise coordinates of your base station after the processing is finished in the file with the suffix _position_ppp.csv in the results page. Rover positioning calculation. Now that we have the coordinates of our base station, we can proceed to process the precise Rover coordinates. Upload Rover raw data file, enter a description for that processing, set dynamic option, and select PPK as processing strategy. Upload the base station raw data file you collected together with the Rover receiver during the survey, and copy and paste the latitude, the longitude, and the height of the base station that we obtained from the previous processing. If you have a file listing Rover event marks and/or JPEG imagery with EXIF, you can add those for processing in the corresponding Dropboxes. Launch the processing, and once you're done, get your surveying precise results. Getting accurate and affordable precise geolocation results is easy with JASON. Start our 14-day free trial now.